I'm Extra, and this is how to make it seem like you shaved the side of your head. Well, this is a fun alternative for when you're going out to the club or something fun that you're going to a party maybe. Kind of surprise the people. Well, the only way that you can do that when you have hair to make it look like that is to really wet it down and stick some gel in. And from there you want to use a bristle brush or a boar hair bristle brush, I like, and you're going to smooth it back as tight as possible. From there, once you get it back, you want to use some bobby pins and make sure that you crisscross them to make sure that it stays tight. Then once you get done, you can put a little bit of hair over those bobby pins to hide them, and it will be so sleek and smooth, people are going to think that you shaved the side of your head.